Welcome to the produce aisle where the cucumbers are calm, the pickles are trouble, and two peas share one apartment. Here are 8 idioms from the garden. Number 1, cool as a cucumber. Even on the hottest day, a cucumber's inside stays cooler than the air. Cool as a cucumber means perfectly calm while everything else sweats. Number 2, in a pickle. The cucumber went into the jar, and there is no coming back from brine. Being in a pickle means stuck in a sour little jam. Number 3, the apple of my eye. Of all the apples in the orchard, one gets polished on a sleeve and kept. The apple of my eye is the one most cherished. Number 4, compare apples to oranges. One is crisp, one peels. One is autumn, one is Florida. Comparing apples to oranges means judging two things that share nothing. Number 5, a couch potato. It has eyes, and it uses them exclusively for television. A couch potato is a professional sitter with a remote-shaped hand. Number 6, full of beans. Beans were once fuel for horses, and a bean-fed horse bounced. Full of beans means bursting with slightly chaotic energy. Number 7, dangle a carrot. The mule walks because the carrot floats eternally 18 inches ahead. Dangling a carrot means motivating someone with a reward they haven't caught yet. Number 8, 2 peas in a pod. Same shape, same size, same tiny green apartment. 2 peas in a pod means inseparably, indistinguishably alike. And that is 8 idioms from the produce aisle. Stay cool, avoid jars. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.